as you may be all aware, it was on the 11th of December of 2014 that the United Nations took a resolution to observe the International Yoga Day on the 21st of June every year. And the first Yoga Day, International Yoga Day, was celebrated in 2015. So this year is the third International Yoga Day which we are celebrating. There is a significance why this date was also chosen. You may be also aware that 21st June is the longest day in the Northern Hemisphere, and that is the reason why 21st June, and it also has a lot of astrological significance, also a lot of other significances, so this date was chosen, 21st June. It is always said that we cannot change what is outside you, but you can always have control over what is within you. So I think yoga is founded on this whole theory that you can control what is within you. The yoga, as we know, there may be various forms of yoga, they are practiced in various forms, but the main concept behind yoga is that you use your internal strength and your internal resources which are available within you to make yourself strong and resistant. And I think in this in this world where we are living today, which is full of stress and tensions, then we had requested Mr. Naik to ensure that we should be given more stress on those exercises or those yoga steps which would help in stress reduction and tension reduction. So I think with that we will start with the exercises, and he will also be telling us some significance of this, each exercise. So with that we will start with this function. I request that whatever we are learning today, we try to follow it all through the year.